Hello, everyone. This is Coach Woods from Shadow Creek Wrestling Club, a wrestling club I run out of my garage in Pearland, Texas, just south of Houston. I'm showing you how I made a takedown dummy out of PVC piping from Home Depot for just a little over $100. I used 2-inch PVC pipe with end caps, 45 and 90-degree elbows. I recommend if you're going to do this, you measure out the child that's going to be using it, make it a little bit longer, taller for that child. I wanted this dummy to have the arms low, so as my son is trying to take his shots, he understands how to get low and break through those barriers. I was going to mount this dummy on the wall similar to the Adam dummy. I didn't go for Adam dummy because I can't afford $1,500 and I didn't want a permanent structure on my wall. So I ended up changing the design, making it kind of freestanding. Here's my son practicing taking shots on it. I also added pebble stones throughout the dummy, open up the end caps and pour pebble stones to make it a little bit sturdier. It weighs about 40, 50 pounds. So if you're in a situation like mine, you're training a few kids, one kid doesn't have a partner, and you just want something that they can really basically practice technique, how to get underneath, get to the hips, get to the body, a good head position, this may be a great option for you for just a little over $100. Hope you enjoy.